Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your XRP from crypto.com. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have the XRP on your wallet, and in order to confirm its existence, head over to the account section at the bottom of the screen. Once at the account section, you're dropped at the account menu, where you simply select the crypto wallet drop down and select the cryptocurrency you currently possess, which in our case is the Ripple. So click on the XRP. Once you've selected XRP, select the transfer option, which is just here. Once you've selected transfer, click on the withdraw option and click on external wallets. By doing this, you're going to have to add a withdrawal whitelist in order to withdraw. So click on add wallet address. And when the cryptocurrency list loads in, select the XRP. So click on Ripple. Now you could choose to add your XRP, that's the main native network of XRP, or the Chronos. But for this video, we're going to be working with the native XRP address. So simply minimize, and we can get this information from our Trust Wallet. So once you've opened up your Trust Wallet mobile app, once your Trust Wallet has opened up, all you need to do in order to get your information is use the icon at the top of the screen to search for XRP. Once you found the XRP, you're met with all the XRP and its various networks. But the main XRP, which is this XRP here, the native XRP, click on this XRP, click on the receive option, copy this address, minimize, and open up your crypto.com. Once you've opened it up, paste the wallet address there, and please take note that it requires no tag at all. The XRP coin here requires no tag. The native XRP does not require a tag. So all you need to do now is simply scroll through and select the no tag required for my wallet, and then enter the name. Let's just call it XRP Wally, and click on continue. Yes, it does not need a destination. Click on confirm. And yes, I trust this address. Simply enter your passcode. Boom. The next step now is to simply click on the withdraw option, click on confirm and withdraw, enter the amount of XRP you wish to send out, and click on the withdraw option. So by doing this, you could simply click on withdraw or click on confirm, and your 4.8 XRP would be deposited right here. You could then confirm the deposit of the XRP on your Trust Wallet by using the same search icon to search for XRP and click on the XRP. And boom, guys, the XRP is on our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can withdraw XRP from crypto.com, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.